In this video, let's look at the stats and facts of LinkedIn. By the end of the video, you will have a basic understanding of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional networking platform. It's one of the most influential social media networks, with more than 756 million members in 2021. That's a lot of potential contacts worldwide. Members use the site to keep in touch with business associates, clients, and coworkers. Boost your profile. Build awareness of your brand. Help you recruit the right people. LinkedIn is built on the simple but effective professional networking premise, making it the perfect place to reach professionals of all ages and backgrounds worldwide. There is an astonishingly high amount of users across more than 200 countries at your fingertips. Once you have a strong professional profile, you will find more and more of these professionals will begin to connect with you. LinkedIn has 33 offices. LinkedIn is available in 24 languages. LinkedIn has over 16,000 employees worldwide. As of April 2021, LinkedIn has over 756 plus million members in 200 countries and regions worldwide. Of this 756 plus million member on LinkedIn, 196 million plus are from North America, 198 million plus are from Europe, 206 million plus are from the Asia Pacific, 114 million plus are from Latin America, 39 million plus are from the Middle East and Africa. With more than 250 million monthly active users. 300k plus remote job postings done. 6x plus job postings in the US in the year 2021. 40 million plus people are using LinkedIn to search for jobs each week. 2 people are hired every minute on LinkedIn. 56 million plus companies listed on LinkedIn worldwide. 14 million plus open jobs on LinkedIn Jobs. 119 million plus schools listed over. 37 million plus skills listed on LinkedIn. LinkedIn has enormous market potential and exploring it needs a lot of time and dedication. I will be working on series of LinkedIn tutorials. Stay tuned. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like, share it, comment below and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.